Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. I'm going to show you one of my favorite dishes that everyone in my family really loves. We're going to begin this recipe with the potatoes first. You need potatoes, rigani, mustard, olive oil, some water, lemons, garlic, pepper, and salt. You'll need 4 potatoes peeled. After you peel them, start cutting each potato into 4 wedges. Put all the potato wedges in a big mixing bowl, so when we add all the ingredients you need to add, you can give it a good mix. Now we'll need 2 garlic cloves. Smash them and chop them up as fine as you can, also boris kanta. As soon as the garlic is finely chopped, put it in a little plate, put it to the side, so we can start adding the ingredients to the wedge potatoes. Now we begin by adding the garlic that we finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of mustard. Any mustard will do fine. Now we need the juice from a whole lemon. I cut the lemon in half and squeeze it on top of a sorotiri, so the sorotiri catches all the pits that we don't need. After we add the lemon juice, we grab the rigani. We give it a really good pinch of rigani. And then we add the pepper and the salt. 2 pinches of pepper and 3 to 4 pinches of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh olive oil and then start giving the potato wedges a very good mix. As soon as you give them a good mix, we'll need now an oven pan to place them in. And don't forget about all those juices that are at the bottom of the mixing bowl. Spread the wedges around so they're all even. And after, add that 1 cup of water. Alright, now give them a little shake, and then put them in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees. Now it's time for the minced meat and the toppings. You'll need minced meat, breadcrumbs, tomatoes, fresh olive oil, vinegar, onions, 1 egg, 1 clove of garlic, salt, pepper, 4 slices of your favorite cheese, and parsley. We start with a handful of parsley. Fine chop it. When we get to the end, the stems, we don't really need them, so we'll just put them to the side. After chopping the parsley, Get the garlic clove, squish it, and fine chop it as much as you can. Se mi crea cu matachia. Next we'll need the onion, the top of the skin, the first layer peeled, and a grater. You'll need to grate the whole onion. Now we need a mixing bowl, and we begin by adding the minced beef, along with pepper, 2 good pinches of pepper, 3 to 4 really good pinches of salt, the garlic that we grated, the finely chopped garlic, the parsley, 1 egg, and 1 hufta of breadcrumbs. Two tablespoons of fresh olive oil and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now give everything a really good mix. After you're finished giving it a good mix, make them into 4 big meatballs. Let's call them meatballs, each one. We need some wax paper. Put each meatball on the wax paper and start pressing it to make a nice size beef patty. After 45 minutes of baking in the oven, take the potatoes out and put on top of them the beef patties. After we're finished putting the beef patties on top of the potatoes, we'll need to put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Now we'll need to cut the tomatoes. 2 pieces, sliced pieces that is, for each beef patty. After 20 minutes, take them out of the oven. Place on top each one your favorite cheese slice and 2 pieces of tomato. As soon as you're done adding the cheese and the tomatoes, put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes, and then you're done. After 5 minutes, take it out of the oven and serve. Καλή σας όρεξη!